first grade, here's your assignment for today. I would like for you to go back and reread Flower Garden. This time you're going to be looking for examples of how the girl is feeling. So be looking for clues as to how this girl might be feeling. Okay, you're going to pick a part of our story where you think the word clues or the picture clues let you know how she might be feeling. Okay, you're going to stick on that part. I think the girl is feeling happy. I think the girl is feeling sad. I think the girl is feeling mad. Okay, pick an example from the book where you can tell how she's feeling. Then you're going to get creative and you're going to draw a picture of how the girl is feeling, what clues led you to believe how she was feeling, and then you're going to write a sentence for us. I think the girl feels and in this you're going to put the feeling word. I think the girl feels happy. I think the girl feels sad. Okay? And your picture will match the part of the story that you chose where you think you can tell how she's feeling. Then in the discussion, you'll share your beautiful picture, you'll share your wonderfully neat sentence, and we'll just celebrate you and all the hard work you did. Good luck.